Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and I wish and I wish and they wish and they wish it on me. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and I wish and I wish and I wish and they wish it on me. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama.
So I have nothing on my face. I already applied my eyebrows. I use the NYX for my eyebrows. I'm gonna learn how to do my eyebrows on camera, but more importantly, I want to show you guys how to do the full face. Alright, so a new product that I just got, I've never used this before. It's from Urban Decay and it's a self-adjusting complexion primer. The price is right here. This was pretty expensive for some primer. It was either this or Tarte that I used. I love Tarte, but I wanted to give this a try. Try some new things. Comes in a pretty decent amount. Let's see. I'm gonna use 2 squirts and put it all over my face and see how I like it.
Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah.
I can tell you that right now I don't like how it's white and how it left that, but it may be good for my foundation, so we're gonna see how that works. What I'm going to use today is use my Morphe Set 502. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Concealer 5.0. This product is not new. I've been using this product for like about a year now, since beginning of 2017 when I updated my eyebrow routine thanks to some girl that I met in Urban Decay. No, in Sephora. And she like helped me get my eyebrows to be on point. And I didn't wet it. I'm just gonna dab it in.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah.
Taylor brought the fucking flag.
Haters won't bring me down. Never will they break me down. Never will I
I'm just going to now just line up whatever I messed up.
Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Because they know I'm blessed.
I got this new Vanish Hourglass and it's seamless finish foundation, and I always wanted this, but this thing was $42 and I was like, okay, let me see how it works. And I think when I tried it on, I think this is my skin color and it's really nice.
Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. I never stress because I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Haters won't bring me down. Never will they break me down. Never will I make a sound. Yes, motherfucker, we're at the ground. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah. I lost everything. I lost myself. Insecurities. Time to end.
Okay, so this coverage is medium. Like, I feel like it can hide your like black. I have like little freckles, like little ones. I hid it for the most part and it's very lightweight. So if you don't like too much makeup, like looking Play-Doh-y, then this one is definitely going to be for you from Hourglass. So the next product I'm going to be using is the Kat Von D Concealer Prime and Corrector Cream. I got their Deep 31. My first time using it on me. I always try it on my hands and I like the way the consistency was. So I'm gonna use this product and see if I like it, you know, on me. Let's see.
My enemies turn insecurities. I used to hate myself, but now I love myself. I hate me for my talents. I didn't even want my talent, but then I thought about it. I know I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. I never stress
so far. Ooh. I think the coverage on this is pretty dang good. I like the glow in it, so bear with me. It's a new camera, trying to see if it looks white, but I think so far Sips T look pretty good. I'm gonna get this Morphe brush and I'm just gonna like press it in a little bit just to make sure it looks good. So now this is not really a high-end makeup, but this is from Sephora, their line, and this is in the color Mahogany, and this is my first time using it as a contour. Ooh, I love it. Not too dark.
Yeah, I'm a motherfucking boss. I got lessons on lessons on lessons on lessons. Lessons on blessings on blessings on lessons. I ain't got to flex yet, cause I ain't rich yet. Write my own shit in my bathroom, yeah. Y'all don't really care what they gotta say, yeah. Can't tell me nothing, don't downplay me, yeah. My move sounds for the haters, yeah. Yeah, I'm blessed.
And then sometimes to warm up my hands, I just want to plot it and, you know, make it do what it do. What I'm going to do is highlight the bottom of my eyes. Just the bottom, so it can come out. I still see like I got a little bit of a bag, it's in a crease. So I'm gonna just dab this on right here like that. I forgot her name. I start knowing YouTuber names. She like plotted this with the brush and then like stayed on more. So.
I'm claiming this year.
Now what I'm going to do is use a new setting powder. My goal is to get no flashbacks, so we're gonna see how that works.
See this blank right here? Let's make this shit crystal clear. I am the boss, my dear. You stay in your lane or I swear to the left. Pull over, take over, yeah, I'm the ref. Taking the lead like a bitch never left. Your bitches this week.
Okay, so the timer just went off. So what I'm going to do now, I've been letting it sit on for like more than 10 minutes. Actually, I got distracted. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth Powder. Just swiftly do this.
Get into the mud. Yeah, 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 get into the mud. Yeah.
When you contour, you see that now it have like a little space, but I don't like how it's stopping right there, just up like that. So what I'm going to do is just take this brush that I already did my eyebrows with and swiftly comb it right here. You see?
What the fuck is my mind?
Using the modern Renaissance, just slowly, like, you know, brush this brown to try to contour this fat face. You see how this is more like coming in, and this one looks more round. So we're gonna go at it again.
I don't got no time to play unless you pay me. I'm stacking that money, I'm getting it. I'm whipping these hoes and they loving it. Please get the fuck out my way. What the fuck is my money? Yeah, get into the mud. 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 What the fuck is my money?
In Sephora, I think they still have it. I had it for a long time, so.
Please don't get my
So this is Trophy White. This is like a very popular one, and I think since I'm doing like more of a natural look, I might as well kill it with the highlight. See how extra highlighting brings to your face? Like, so that's it. I hope you guys liked and enjoy, and as you guys see, there's really no crease. There's only a crease right here, which is fine, but there's really no crease, and the glow is really pretty, you guys, and you know, my neck looks the same. But yeah, and if you guys want to see what kind of hair this is, the link is in the description down below. Go ahead and like and subscribe.